Introducing the integrated COB LED Foldable Display, a revolutionary leap beyond traditional screens. This isn't just a display. It's a masterpiece of engineering designed to transform your space. Highly integrated and truly plug-and-play, the COB Foldable series is built for simplicity. Powered by a seamless Android operating system, it offers a completely user-friendly experience right out of the box. No complex setups, just pure performance. Whether you're hosting a high-stakes video conference or engaging in real-time mobile terminal interaction, this screen delivers. Choose between our stunning 108-inch or 135-inch models, available in breathtaking 2000 or 4000 resolutions for crystal clear clarity. Versatility is built in. With a 65 cm adjustable height and a free positioning base, you can tailor your view to any environment. Combined with an immersive audio experience, it's the ultimate all-in-one solution for the modern professional. The integrated COB LED Foldable Display. Compact design, massive impact. Elevate your vision today.